Okay. Next example. You are going to find I using superposition theorem. Okay. You expect that there will be three components of I-12. That is your I-12 prime plus your I-12 double prime plus your I-12 triple prime. Your I-12 prime will be coming from your 2 amperes. Your I-12 double prime is from your 12 volts. And of course, the last is a component current that is due to your 3 amperes. So if we start by finding the component current of your I-12 prime, replace the other sources by their equivalent internal resistance. Okay, here is our circuit. Plus minus. Okay, replace also your voltage source by its equivalent internal resistance. Ideally, that is a short circuit or zero. Yan. Our constant current. Four ohms. And we have here an open circuit. Okay, short circuit rito. 2 amperes. 6. 2. 6. This one is 3 ohms. 3 ohms. 4. Terminal 1 and terminal 2. Okay, let us indicate the current directions. Your 2 amperes will enter at this point. It will split into 2 parts. One will go down and into your 6 ohms. The other one will go up. It will split into 2 parts. This one and into the short circuited part. It will go down. There. Then, panganyan. Correct? So, the actual direction of current in your 4 ohms is a downward current. So this is your I-12 prime. Okay? How do we find your I-12 prime? Okay, you try to remove your excess terminals. For clarity, 3 and 6 in parallel. That is 18 divided by 9 is 2 ohms. In series with 4 ohms, in series with 2 ohms, in series with 6 ohms. So all we have to do is to apply your current divider rule. So by current divider rule, to obtain your I-12 prime, this is 2 amperes times, okay, 6 all over 6 plus the total resistance of this combination, okay, 2 and 4 in series. This is in series with the parallel combination of 6 and 3. Yeah. This is now your I-12 prime. Okay. Let us try to compute. This is 2 ohms. So 12 divided by 6 plus 6 plus 2, that is 0.857 amperes. plus 6 plus 2, 0.857 amperes. Okay, that is the first component of current. Lagyan na lang natin dito sa taas. So I12 prime is 0.857 amperes. Okay, next, let us consider your 12 volts. If you consider your 12 volts, replace the other two sources with an open circuit. This is your I12 double prime. The internal resistance of a current source is infinite. That is an open circuit. Open circuit meaning if you are using an analog tester, the analog tester will not move. Okay? This is 12 volts. Okay? Terminal 1, terminal 2, 6, 3, 2, 4, 6. Let us try to remove the excess terminals for clarity. You can always do this, most especially if you are using pencil. Okay? Oh, yeah. The total current coming from your 12 volts is directed from right to left. Okay, so if it is directed from right to left, and the current will go down, it will split into two parts. One into your 6 ohms, the other into your 2 ohms. Ayan. 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 Correct? This is also your total current. So the current into your 4 ohms is a current that is coming from terminal 2 and terminating in terminal 1. So this is your I21 double prime. Okay, what is I21 double prime? We need to obtain first the total current. Total current by Ohm's law? So total current is 12 volts divided by the parallel combination of the series network of 2, 6, and 4 divided by 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 4. This combination is in series with 3 ohms. Total current is, okay, if you will try to solve, that is 12 divided by 6 times 12 divided by 6 plus 12 plus 3, that is 1.714 amperes. If you will try to simplify, this is 6 divided by 6 plus 12. 4 ohms ito. Correct? So it will be 12 divided by 4 plus 3. 1 point something. Correct? 1.714 amperes. And using now your current divider, by current divider, our I-21 double prime is 1.714 times 6 divided by 6 plus the series combination of 2, 6, and 4. So your I-21 double prime is, okay, that is 0.571 amperes. This is your I-21 double prime, 0.571 amperes. Okay, and the last to be considered is the effect of your 3 amperes. Okay, let's try to find the effect of your 3 amperes. So our I-12 triple prime, this one is a short circuit. Open. Four ohms and 3 amperes. Three ohms, 6, 4, 2, and 6 ohms. Terminal 1 and terminal 2. If you will try to take a look on how the current direction takes its place, okay, you may start from the source of 3 amperes. Once it reaches this point, it will split into 2 parts. One will go up, the other one will proceed from right to left. This one is right to left, it will go down. Okay, this current will reach this point or this node, it will split again into 2 parts. One will go down and the other one will proceed from left to right. They will be joined in this point and the sum of it will go down, pababa, then go back to the source. That's the complete current flow. So the current flow that we are looking at here is a downward current. This is your I-12 triple prime. Your I-12 triple prime can be obtained by merely applying your current divider rule. Okay? You can simplify the circuit by moving your current source into the other side. Okay? Because you just have to slide this one papunta sa kabila, so that it will look like this. For clarity, this is now your 3 amperes. Then you can remove this. Okay, 6 and 3 now are in parallel. The parallel combination is in series with 4. It is in parallel with the series combination of 2 and 6. Okay, so by current divider rule, your I-12 triple prime will be 3 amperes times the series combination of 2 and 6, 2 plus 6, 2 plus 6 plus, okay, 2 plus 6 plus 6 plus 2 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 plus 6 and 3 in parallel, plus 4. O yan. So this is your I-12. 6 times 3 is 18, divided by 9 is 2 ohms. Okay. So 3 times 8 divided by 8 plus 2 plus 4. That is 1.714 amperes. So your I-12 triple prime is 1.714 amperes. If you will now try to take the sum or substitute these values into this equation, what you will get is your I, being your I-12. But since I-21, and in our working equation this is I-12, what we have is I-21, this will be negative. So we will now have, therefore, your I is equivalent to I-12, that is 0.857 plus our I-12, which we do not have. What we have is I-21, that is negative 0.571 plus the last component current of 1.714. So your I is plus is 2 amperes. Okay? You can counter check this by nodal, by loop, or even by Kirchhoff's, because I believe we already have this one as our example previously. Okay?